Yeah, sometimes you need to be a trickster to fix some of these. So someone tried here. They put a transformer, yet the old one, they should have put the old one, in fact. That's what I think, because I fixed so many of these fridges, and it's usually a blown fuse here. So they couldn't locate the fuse. But I've got a clever way. One day I'm going to show you in one of my videos how I do it. Not by opening here. Because sometimes if you open here, you won't find the fuse. But there is a way that you can do. So I've put it, so now the compressor is on. You can feel it. And the fans, you can see the fan there. The compressor fan, yeah, you can see the fan there is turning on. So obviously it's gonna start heating. Yeah, it's heating already. I can feel the temperature. Where should I feel it? Yeah, I can feel already it's getting warm. So the transformer that they put, it was a wrong transformer. It wasn't gonna work. They put a wrong transformer. A right transformer, but a wrong transformer. So we've done it. So now it is fine. You can see it inside. There is the light. And there is the light. Okay. Thank you for watching. Keep watching, keep watching, keep watching. Keep watching.